Nurse Paul, I'm coordinating Mr. George's discharge. We need to ensure he's ready to go home and has all the necessary information and support. That's great news, Mihira. What are his discharge instructions? He'll need to follow up with his doctor for a post-operative appointment. We'll also provide him with instructions on wound care and medication management. Has he been cleared for driving? He should avoid driving for at least a week after the surgery. We'll provide him with specific guidelines on when he can resume driving. Are there any restrictions on his activities? He should avoid strenuous activities and heavy lifting for a few weeks. He can gradually increase his activity level as he recovers. Mihira, has he been informed about his discharge plans? Yes, I've explained the discharge instructions to Mr. George and his family. We've also ensured he has a reliable way to get home.
I'm so glad to hear that, Mihira. Managing stress effectively is all about creating a routine that supports both your mind and body. Let's talk through some practical steps you can start taking right away. First, having a realistic study timetable can really make a difference. Try to plan your day by breaking your study time into smaller, focused sessions, maybe 45 to 60 minutes each, with short breaks in between. During those breaks, do something relaxing, listen to music, stretch, or step outside for some fresh air. It's also a good idea to tackle the more challenging subjects when you're most alert, perhaps earlier in the day, and save the easier ones for later. Equally important is taking care of yourself outside of studying. Regular physical activity, even a quick 15-minute walk, can help release tension and improve your concentration. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. To make this easier, try setting a consistent bedtime and avoiding screens, like your phone or laptop, at least an hour before. Blue light from screens can interfere with your sleep. Nutrition plays a big role too. Eating balanced meals with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and proteins will give your body the energy it needs. Try to avoid excess caffeine, like coffee or energy drinks, because it can make you feel jittery and disrupt your sleep. Remember, small, consistent changes can have a big impact. These habits won't just help with your exams, they'll leave you feeling calmer and more in control. Does that feel like something you could try?